Welcome to another segment of EXPO TV. My name is Michael Causey. I'm the editor-in-chief here at ACRP, and this is our opportunity to speak with vendors and speakers and exhibitors at our conference coming up, the virtual conference throughout this year. With us today is Christian Burns, CEO of ClinEdge, and Christian has been a good source for me and many other times in the past. Christian, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Michael.
Now, let me ask, there might be a few people out there who don't know who you are. So tell me, or tell the folks out there a little bit about your background in this industry.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I think like many of us, we stumbled into the industry. So I've spent the past 15 years in the industry. Started ClinEdge 10 years ago. We actually just came off our 10-year anniversary. And I essentially fell into research. Of course, I'll tell the short story behind it, but needed my prereq hours for a master's degree at the time, and was going to school at University of Tampa in Florida, and had seen a sign in a front yard of a site that said, get paid to take fish oil, essentially, and walked in, and the rest is history. So ended up working for that organization for a bit, learning the ropes of really a lot of the inefficiencies between physicians, really being utilized around the trial design and trial conduct, as well as the patients. So I've pretty much spent my entire career building bridges in research around the patient and physician experience, enabling them to utilize resources, which tends to be at a small business level, to streamline their operations so they can conduct trials better or have access to more patients or more qualified patients for studies.
So fish oil has made you the man you are today. Let's talk about the company you are today. You mentioned the 10-year anniversary. You've alluded to it a little bit, but talk a little bit more about what ClinEdge does.
Our mission is creating innovative solutions that connect and empower the clinical trial ecosystem. As much as that's, we've consolidated one of our companies and acquired another company over the past 2 years that provides resources and systems around hospitals. And basically, our whole methodology is streamlining operational delivery around the investigator, site staff, and the community, and providing at the patient level more turnkey solutions, both from the recruitment and retention area. So things like travel, patient engagement, so lead generation, education, querying patients about trial interest or designing a trial around them, among many other things. So I think as we move into the future, we're this, we've always been these huge site advocates, in addition to the patient side, and we're kind of leveraging the site conduct in how do we build a better trial experience around the future of studies, which includes things like home health, integrating sites at a higher capacity together to streamline startup and management of ultimately the trial and the site conduct, among others.
Fantastic. This has been our EXPO TV segment. We've been speaking with Christian Burns, the CEO of ClinEdge. Again, Christian, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.